For our funded and focused feature, many business owners are signing up for multiple AI tools, but not seeing real results from the money they spend on monthly subscriptions. In a recent article on Substack, writer Ruben Dominguez explained that most people are overpaying for AI subscriptions because they buy tools without a clear purpose. If you are new to artificial intelligence AI, here's the simple way to think about it. AI is not about the technology. It's about making more money with less work. So instead of asking what AI tools should I buy, ask, can this help me find clients? Can this help me manage money better? Can this help me raise funds or investors? Can this help me build a strong team for my business? Can this help my business grow faster? If the answer to any of those questions is yes, then the monthly subscription to the AI tool is worth considering.